Y'all come on in and check out this installation step-by-step waterfall shower by Hibbent done by my daughter, Coach Salter. Y'all go check out her YouTube channel and see all of her DIYs and everything else that she does as far as her barbering, putting locks in your hair. Y'all go check her out.
What's up, guys? It's your girl, Coach Salter, and I am back with an unboxing video. We have our Hibbent Rainfall Showerhead Combo High Pressure that will be getting installed today. Let's check this out and get into the unboxing. All right, so here is the box. We are about to open it. They have the tamper evident security seal, which is awesome, especially with the holidays right around the corner. I want to make sure this sucker is sealed so no one can take any parts out. All right, so let's get into it. As you can see, Hibbent packages are always packaged for the safety of product. Well packaged every time. Very, very secure. No scratches. Look at this. Wow. Now this is nice. Nice and shiny, glossy. Yeah, this is it right here. It has a lot of different pressures with that nozzle down there. Let's see what else we have in this mysterious box. Okay, we have our shower hose. And this is for the handheld shower head. It looks very long, which is always a plus. Next, we have our shower head adjustable extension arm holder. This right here is our handheld shower. As you can see, it has a lot of different pressures as well. We also have our filter. And just a heads up, it says to rinse this filter out before applying. So just make sure y'all run water through this filter before applying it. I'm not going to show that in the video. However, I will be running water through it like it says in the instruction manual. These right here are filters for the handheld shower head. The package comes with 2 of them. We also have tools that come with it for this project. We have the adjustable extension arm. As you can see, these appliances are brand spanking new, fresh pressed from Hibbent, nice and shiny. And we have our shower head holder right here that we will be installing. We will not be screwing this in. We'll be doing the sticker method. But yes, this is the handheld shower head holder. Nice and shiny appliances, brand spanking new. The look glossy, Love it. Love this. Love this shininess. Love the feel of new. Here's the installation guide that I will be following for the installation. Here are all the parts. Now let's get into this installation guide. Let's see what we have in here that we can kind of go over before we start the installation. Looks like a lot of information, but this is well needed information. Okay, got troubleshooting, installation, the parts, the pressure, the settings, the function names. So I really like this part of the installation guide because it shows their advantage. So it says our advantage, which stands true, y'all. It's others versus their product. So their design with US patent, great. Their maximum parallel versus others' maximum heights. You know, the material that they use versus what other people use. As you can see, theirs is nice and sturdy, very durable, shiny, and just love the new appliance feel, look. They have wonderful spray modes, by the way. And we're going to get into that after the installation. They have a sprayer selector. I mean, this product of Hibbent is extraordinary, y'all. Magical experience. Let's get into this. We're going to start with the adjustable external arm. Let's go. So the first thing you're going to want to do, you're going to want to remove the previous shower head that you've had installed probably for forever, y'all. So let's go ahead and get that off. Let's apply this Teflon tape. All right. Now let's get this adjustable arm hooked to the actual wall faucet. All right, so now that that's set up, let's go ahead and get our filters into place. We're going to go ahead and start with our filters for the handheld shower head. Going to screw this little piece right here. We're going to place our filters inside and then go ahead and screw that back on nice, tightly and secure. Like so. Next, we are going to put the Teflon tape, prepare to put our shower head on the adjustable arm extender. And we're going to also put Teflon tape on that lower portion for our actual hose that connects to the handheld shower head. And this right here helps prevent the leakage, guys. Makes it nice and secure. Next, we're going to get our filter screwed on there nice and tightly. We're going to prepare to get our shower head on there, guys. And then our lovely, lovely multi-pressure shower head. Let's go ahead and get that on there nice, tight, and secure. Next, we're going to go ahead and screw on our hose for the handheld shower head. Get that nice secure. And we're going to figure out where's the best place to put this handheld shower head. Go ahead and get the shower head nicely secure to the hose, like so. Place the handheld shower head holder onto the wall. Like I said, we're going to use the sticky one, not the screw installation. So just the sticking installation. Nice and secure, like so. And here we have it, our lovely, lovely Hibbent shower head.
This is the second Hibbent that my daughter has installed, and this Hibbent shower head has such power. Such power. It's upgraded 5 spray 13-inch dual filtered Rainfall chrome shower head combo. Again, high pressure. It's got 10 settings, handheld shower head with 12-inch adjustable extension arm, 20-stage shower filter, and the hose is 71 inches. Click the link in my bio below and it'll take you straight to Amazon and y'all go purchase a shower head. Y'all subscribe to my channel. Go ahead, subscribe. It's free. We want you in our comment sections. Like, comment, subscribe, and share. Yes, share, but only if you care. Check out our videos.